Hey guys, welcome back for a car wash video today.
Going this way?
Yeah. Today we're gonna be going for this car wash called the Body Beautiful Car Wash. Currently I don't know what kind of tunnel this is.
What are we getting? Express?
We'll see what the wash shows. Sorry.
It's not that dirty.
I know. We'll see what comes with. Keep going.
Do they serve us?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, before.
Okay. I'm trying to get my wallet.
Oh, it's early special. It's early bird.
Is it?
Yeah, it's Monday
Monday
to
to Friday, 8 to 9? 8 a.m. No, it's not early, 8 to 9. That's in the morning. Okay. Okay, hang on a second. I don't think we've done this before, have we?
No.
Can you tell I haven't done this before? Okay, what do you want?
What's one wash on this?
Let's see. 8's a car wash, and then there's clear coat, sealer wax, under body blast, wheel brake.
$8.
Huh? $8?
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. All right. Can we get the $8?
It's 9.
Okay. It's 9. Oh, add $1. Oh, because we're an SUV. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Okay, so we got the deluxe package because which one do I don't know what kind of tunnel this is, everybody. So. Not. Oh, good. Pretty soak. Nice cloth. Brushes. Runs all brushes. 1, 2 rock paint, 1, 2 blue ones, 1, 2 red. Spot free, clear coat.
So.
Sealer wax. I don't think there's any triple foam in this one. That's good. Got a car, to be honest. Rubber dryers. Smells good. Thanks for watching this video. This is the Body Beautiful Car Wash here in Jefferson Hills. Body Beautiful Brushless Car Wash. Thank you for watching. Bye.